Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mancho morigari avu Ensoko TV chidaka ibere cha butukire goro yensa eyamo mbuya mona sogo sangana into chinga kechiga igane mese mayakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi ritukone ri Juma ryo mwere ke masomo itinyoga ogatano na kabero mwaka bwe chirubere merongebere na isano nemo karansoke nkomanya senchira yobo ikirno asenge ncho mese mayakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo achakira bon. Karibu sana mwancho morigari hapa toko chaka no robot ro kubwatia abarai au bago sire serikali niko bona ba muchiro murai wiki magia DCP Rigathi Gachagua asekeri bago tebanga na asekia komocha umurai bwense kubwatekana nenkwana yaye iyo abwatogete ritukori goro busobo tukobo kira rero yokwango yana kobeka emerobero ya ankyo yense bago kwana ritukori yarera somo igabugo changira chikwaya imeye skuru ya Nyambaria hase bunge ya Kitutu Masabe county ya Nyamira nigabara yabo ba muchire nsemeria yokwambirira serikali asogo tatuwale agenda yoko bakonya abananchi muri kito Steven Nyariki na Mange
Nasomo yegabu gosira chikwaya se county ya Nyamira oyora wa no muteni w'abasubati Nyamira omoske rusha mumanyi azaba wekiranwa na barai bagosira serikali ya Kenya.
Wanakwaya wetu mmewapatia shilingi milioni 1.
Aiga omoteni wabari abange ase bunge ya Senate omoseneta Aaron Cheruiyot Mona sekirenga keria kyomoske William Ruto abwatogeta bugoro kyo kwanra igoro ya Vision 2060.
Nyinyi mnajua katika taifa la Kenya kwa sasa kuna mjadala, kuna watu wanamfanyia rais kesi kubwa sana, kuna watu wanatukana rais, kuna watu wanaambia rais Ruto must go, kuna wenye wanamuita Kasongo, na kwa sababu makosa yake ati ni kwa sababu lazima tuwe sawa.
Asensemo y'omubungo West Mogrango moske Steven Mogaka nigekerekia mochiri Rigathi Gachagua
omontoria litukoritangania atachete gusiga nekera buna ntuto age tikuragaria agatobagerana tubwatishe agaria akanga ntoe kuchipara ntoe kuchistima ntoe kumache ere sababu ngwake ro mheshimiwa na mama county asogo togoria amaiso kurigereria samari ya Kenya ale tosombera abantu baitu na barabari ya mali ya Kenya
omokonyi bomora ibwense moske Faruk Kibet yekerekia tebirenganere biya batige atia chingwana chiabaria bakobekana gosegeta kabira iga Kenya.
Hatutaki yule mtu mkabila alifukuzwa bunge atembee akisurura. Tumemwachia kazi moja tu, aishi huko kwa Nyororo. Unasikia? Aishi wapi? Kwa Nyororo. Mimi nasikia watu wanasema wa Munyoro, hakuna kitu kama wa Munyoro, anaitwa kwa Nyororo. Ashindwe ama asishindwe.
Gati ya barayi baikira no moyego yuniga kerekyo batebirenganere biya gusi esokie na gosira morayi bwenzo moske William Ruto.
Ngaina na tobe komo gusi asegurugura incheta jerusha na abande twangire yotokobe komo gusi asembure gotwa togosimeke bintu byama mondo kyo mu bwate domo koboko yambola ra tuta ya William Ruto abana Claro, reviendo te Motere Ruto tuta.
Iye nenkwana yomorikyo botambe hase wizara yoborendi bwaime moske Raymond Omoro.
Mheshimiwa Momanyi, ni vizuri hapa Nyamira hatujakuwa na tatizo la criminal gangs ama vijana ama watu wauni ambao wanahatarisha maisha ya wakaaji wa Nyamira County. Na ni mfano mzuri, ningependa kaunti zingine ama sehemu zingine za taifa ziige.
Stephen Nyarikie Mbonde, Ensoko TV, Nyambaria, Kitutu Masaba, kaunti ya Nyamira.
Bebono Morikito Stephen Nyarikie. Kanto goskabo sincho morigeri ari tukeri morio karia etere mega yomoraibu ensi ya Kenya kubwatoka enkwana yaye gochia asense kurwa senyombene na yoborai ya State House gasomuchio Nairobi nige bananchi au na bega barai baganda tagwesokia na gukwandra enkwana yo ababangwega nigo basangano Morikito Linet Nyambane kurega somuchio Nairobi aseba mochiri gatia barai bari bensemo yo kwamire serikali asokoro kya gotaka kubwaterana na serikali asebo igo basabire baganda nemero biri yo kwene kebuna mbachikore ntamonchori asobo chorio bone bole umwaka wocha.
Rais William Samoei Ruto ame acknowledge kuwa Vision 2030 haipo tena. Na mimi nilijua Rais William Samoei Ruto angefikisha ndoto ya Vision 2030 kwa sababu hakukuwa na any blueprint ya Vision 2030.
Moise koligereria ensemo yo kwagacha chinyomba chiamagoria inse orosiri chinyomba chinyinge mono Kenya iga. Ne chinyomba chekerago chiagacha nigo chigo create chiga siasa asaba sai ase chifundi
for the 40 minutes naisa hanze temwane ngo koligereria TV ande go tegera umurai wense enai wede gendo ngachi hearsay chi story chabunwasi choka
ebyo nebirengererio bya egati y'abananchi be kaunti ya Nairobi kubwatekana n'enkwana y'omurai bwense William Ruto eyo abwatogete ritwere gorobotuko kubwatekana n'ebitambukero ense ya Kenya yairire kurwa asoa ase obugambi.
The decisions we make today will determine whether our constitution becomes the greatest instrument of our national transformation in our history or the greatest opportunity we missed.
Na naambia wa Kenya wakuwe wakisikiza Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua alituambia statement before Ruto akuja tupatie briefing. Akisema ati Ruto anataka kupostpone kitu kifike Vision 2060.
Igomora ibwenso temire. Ligereli for example egeti Atalanta Stadium negetie kanene ase Eastern Central Africa. Kerenga ine Stamford Bridge eriera alibo Ingereza.
Hakuna investor anaweza kuja katika nchi yetu ya Kenya kama vijana badala ya kupoa kazi wamejiriwa kukua goons. Kila mahali unaona tu goons. Au magoons wameingia hadi kwa makanisa. Inabidi hadi makanisa zinafungwa na makanisa zilikuwa zina provide makazi.
Oise korigereria engakia soeto bogambi nigaba mura bali bakaimokiri chisuguri bakandamanire kere wiki bakobona chiduka abantu bagoitwa bakwa ejo ya magendero lakini korwa soa obotoerero bwasoire ukabila ya asirire omonto bwate ukabila bono no mongwano Gachagua
gukwana kurwa ase omuchio Nairobi nigo batuomanire ebirengererio ase egati yabo bancheranire kwana y'omurai bwense na goteba oretire amagenderero nabo igo abande batuguteirare enkwane yo
egento muna bakenya tutagete emyaka ene ose emyaka 5 omweshime William Samoei Ruto abeire kerogo agosangeri 4 trillion kero mwaka every financial year 4 times 5 that is 20 trillion osabiro mukopo 4 trillion that is 24 trillion Russia mangane wakane mesara then 2 trillion 10 trillion nka ye ile 14 trillion chibesi y'abananchi ba Kenya
uchumi ya country ya Kenya konyora ya salekire ekeromora iwense omoske Dr. William Ruto aire tobogambi batibono igoise korigere no nyene dora ekeroko ye wekanne shiringi ya Kenya ya beire ya tuarre chinguru chinane mono shiringi ya Kenya ya beire kebwata chinguru chinane mono igo nakingo tanga omora iwense otemire oise korigere ya sector yobwagachi orosiri chipara moroche epale lya kwanete ya North Kenya oyero
abamenyi abo baruro koboria gochia ase abarai bande bage siasa Naboigo abakenya kubwatirana na kwenekia Ruto nkogenda arenka ase obochori bore bosio.
Mtu yote atapatikana kwa mkutano ya William Samoei Ruto. Sifuna ndugu yangu, ukijaribu kukaa mita 100 karibu na Ruto, siku hiyo ndo mambo yako inaisha. We as the people of Kenya tuarosire nobokora umheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. So abakenya twende kubwaterana na litura konye ense yetu ya Kenya. Abantu baganya gonjoka na ngaba batonga agenda ino nereri. Agenda number 1, Kasongo must go.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV korwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Memono morikito Linet Nyambane noroboti rwa senchira yubo ekranto goskabosio mwancho morigeria maiga yense moyo gosangeria ebango ime county ya Kisii kobana Mbeya Masechi county chonsia so gosangeria bango aso mwaka bwechiri bubere 25 mwaka bwechiri bubere 25 nemo nigo tukori ara mokonyi bo mugavana bwe county yo Mheshimiwa Elijah Obebo anyarko baga kwanekya okumerana na barabo asense moyo kwena na maigerio yoboremia ATC me muchobo songo na kubaina riambo yamana semeremo eyo emia babekire na kubasegeta bagendra no mukyoyo marikito Pethuel Machini amange
Magiga yense moyo gosangeria bango ime county ya Kisii gotangana county chonse 45 na ibiro mwako yetawe chibesa
Hold up! Good evening, Your Excellency.
Nicholas Kuderero omokonyi bo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Moskia Laizobe banyako umerana barabo erego itona chinchera choko gendra koba na mbeyemo
iga se ATC hall ntwale ngaro rero litukolia ria chuma kurigererie gas twakora ase ogo collect ebango yeito ase county ya Kisii munyore umwako ria into twatangana asokorosie nibeyo yebango tokuronga own source revenue tutwatangana te Kenya ngima Masechi county 47 na nento noko semerio konene ngango tangana tole ingitogo twara litukumuneri twatwara moyegore ngenje yiga no yogo appreciate na kwereria abantu baito nga asante kwa kazi nzuri hawa watu wote mnaohusika na mambo ya revenue mwakorire tokumeneka kimune yake mwako osiekirwo gochigwanza tuomena twateba nimbu ya mona segasi yakoregete yokurigie bangiyo
kurengana no bebo nigo bakwira nimbu ya sobugambi bwayo mo governor Simba Arati atrani yomo asokonyore kerengo kigorukie bango agwikira nimero 2 ya magendra se county ya Kisii
egasi yakorune nene etukolingo obugambi obusera bwa Paul Simba Arati wagari gasi yakorekire na gutanga na Kenya ngima ase njo obusera obu abakorie merimo bale na intwe muno mo minister of finance omo chief officer ki director jiaye na bonsi abakorosie bangi na koherenta bakorire gasi nene ase intwe mune serikali ya Simba otwanga twari kobanyoraga iga tobene ngambu ya mono na gigima tobarerio koboko kuya kobatebimbu ya mono na indankyo mokore bya goitania bangi yato iresiko yato konye gokore binte binge chigasi chinyinge mwaro ni bintu bikokorekana amabere abana nkonyubare chibasa ri mwachirorire ebira gitabya rosiri chipara factory agrogora ye ubi ya gwene ire kyande ye 10 obisi yeito ya dikora noera ebinte ebyonsi obikokorekana nga asenge yitwaro siri chibesa nke korwa sikiri tokoegwa ne chinde tokorose korwa sokorosia ebango yeito kogwenera negiganje gitukie bango kobe kingi
Simona tebire mna mangana yo kinwe birogo kwa abakuri meremabo nigokora abasinchira yo bwene no bwasioku
transfers yecho is one technique ni njia moja ya kuhakikisha kwamba watu wameweka mahali wanaweza na wanatosha hii revenue iweze kwenda juu. Na mambo ya promotions, serikali ya Simba mkumbuke mwaka jana mwaka juzi iliweza kuangalia mambo yote ya promotions. Wale wote walikuwa wamesumbuka miaka mingi katika viwango fulani katika civil service. Governor alipatia wao promotions karibu wote. Na wale waliosalia walibaatigalete something will be done. Kwa hivyo promotions will be fair. Hakuna mambo ya kuruka, hakuna mambo ya kuhonga, hakuna mambo ya kucheza. It shall be fair na it shall be felt. Hakuna mtu anatakiwa kusurutishwa ama kujaribu kuambia atafuta pesa aweze kupatiwa promotion.
Ripoti ya Ensoko TV kurega ATC me county ya Kisii Pethuel Machini.
Tuskabasyo mwancho muregera sorobotronde munenjira yamo yo guikirania okubwatira nokuya igati serikali county ya Kisii monensi ya India asamagacho ao nigo bono ensemo ya sector igati boremi chisemi obochenu naboigo okoyo kwegware nigo ritukoria rero mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Simba Arati akoro kubwatana hamono mo commissioner monene kuru asensi ya India gocha asensi ya Kenya Adash Swaika imeyabisia ime omochobo songo na gukwandra igoro yo kubwatira nokuya.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome the Ambassador, High Commissioner to India, who came to pay a courtesy call to my office this afternoon. We've had a lengthy discussion with His Excellency, High Commissioner, in many fields, and we have shared what exactly is there in Kisii. This is his first time to be in Kisii here. Therefore, and he has told us so many of fields that we can cooperate. We're looking forward, and we're joined again with the, there are Indians, Kisii Indians, who have been here for long. Some of the faces you are seeing around. Therefore, who joined with us, and the High Commissioner will be here today and tomorrow, want to see what South Mugrango is doing. And I can see the area, honorable member of Tabaka is here. He's going to take him there to see what we are doing there. But we discussed along many fields on health, agriculture, on issues of waste management, and many other things that he will be able to highlight.
His Excellency, the Governor, for a very warm welcome. India-Kenya relationship is historically very strong, and when I come to different counties, and particularly in Kisii, I can see the very strong bonds reflected in the Kisii Indians, as the Governor mentioned. We did discuss a lot of issues which the Governor also mentioned, ranging from education, health, agriculture and agro-processing, and how to attract more Indian investments in a county which is very forward-looking. I have heard about what the Governor has been doing in this county, and I am sure that with his keen encouragement and facilitation, there would be Indian investors who will be looking at Kisii very positively. We already have some of Indian origin people who have invested in Kisii and become the backbone of Kisii. We want to see greater, stronger ties between India and Kisii, and therefore between India and
Tuskabasyo mwancho murigeria mwaziri hotenete ewizara oborendi boime yense Kipchumba Murkomen nigo bono aenekeire abakenya oborendi boisaine hase bono oboriki bw'abanyanyimbo abange abo barache kweneke oborendi chinsemo ao imense ya Kenya ka kwanekero kyomwega hase skuru ya Kagari ime ya Embu omochiri abarai bari bagoteba buna mbachie kubeka kwebekera oborendi abanyane hase okoriga ebyombe by'abasae nakoba hemeremo okureire engane iyo nabono gotebe serikali tari gochigwanjira ebyombe by'ubosari kwenekia ubosagani imense.
Pia kuna mambo ya police strength. Wengi wenu wamesema muongezee askari hapa, mtuongezee askari pale. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie ya kwamba tutaongeza hao askari, kwa sababu rais alitupatia ruhusa mwaka jana tukarecruit polisi 10,000 na sasa wanafusu kwa mwezi moja. Wakifusu tutakuwa na strength ya kutosha kuhakikisha kwamba tumestrengthen ile police station zetu yenye tuko nazo. Wakati tunafanya siasa yetu, tuache mambo ya kutumia goons. Hakuna haja, naomba wanasiasa wote, kuna haja kutafuta goons na kusema tuta recruit vijana. Kuna mwingine anaongea hapa ati vijana wa Mount Kenya, nataka nyinyi mjitokeze tukuje tulinde sijui nini. Kenya, watu wa Mount Kenya wamelipa ushuru, watoto wa Mount Kenya wako kwa National Police Service kama watoto wa Kenya mzima. Hakuna mwananchi hapa anafaa kushika rungu ama crude weapons kufanya violence kwa mkutano yoyote. Na hatutakubali. Nikiwa Embu hapa, nikiwa Nairobi, nikiwa Mombasa, hakuna sehemu ya Kenya tutakubali mwananchi wa kawaida ama mwanasiasa kuchukua rungu
ati anaenda kuchichunga, ati kuchunga polling station, ati kuchunga mwanasiasa. All goons. Na Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja ameanza kazi tayari, na napongeza National Police Service kwa sababu ile mikutano imefanyika the last 2 weekends. Sijaona goon yoyote akilete shida kwa mikutano yote, na tutaendelea namna hiyo. Na mtu yoyote mwenye ata recruit vijana kwa mambo ya violence, we will come for you and we will also deal with the people whom you are going to recruit wenye wanataka kusumbua wananchi. Tunataka every part of Kenya, and there is no exclusive place. Nikiongea nikiwa hapa Mount Kenya, there is no preserved community that is supposed to be using goons when other places police officers are taking charge. Every place of Kenya needs to be protected. Haijalishi ni pande gani ya Kenya. Kila mtu anafaa kupewa security ambayo inatoshana na yeye ili kusonga mbele.
Tukoska basi mwanchomo warigereria mujumbe bwe bunge ya Bomachoge bora bu Mheshimiwa Badia Barongo niko tukoria rero aikirana ase skuru ya maegerio y'obwarimu ya Kenya na koigora bene chinyomba choboraro chia baiseke na boigo ensemeria yokora skuru yo Mheshimiwa Barongo niko bono arireira yogocha kubwatesia college yo na gukine birango bye chiseme asenseme yo boigo nigarure ogochika gochia kwane kya gusira college yo erinde henyara koba yekwane kya ebirango bigoro bye chiseme mulikita Apolinari Sakama namange
bunenjera ya muyugusira chisemi ase bunge ya Bomachoge borabu nigo mujumbe bwe bunge yo Badia Barongo litukolia rero aigora bwane chinyomba choboraro chia baiseke ase kore chia maegeri yo bwarimu ya Kenyanya na boigo ya administration block
rero nigo twachaga Kenyanya Teachers Training College ase oko igora administration block yere magaito enyombe mosakoso aime na mogwanchanga omo principal yo Naftali Nyang'iti amo no mo board chairman yo Dr. Machuki bakorire gasi ere ya maana sana tugwende ko bakerambu ya mono ase gasi bakorire ga erengia nande korumo ino maga yenyombe ntwa igora hostel ya renge abana abaiseke naso ahimenero re hostel yeyo ere hostel engia mono ere very spacious.
Barongo ninga atebire buna inso y'obugambi bwa enero mujumbo mutangani gusira chisemi chia college yo
korumagega obisi yo mujumbe tenyare tiko support college no obisi yo mujumbo Badia Barongo nero ya nyarire kobeko koboko kuoko konya nande manyabantu ba minto to gukora igo asege pindi eke egetangani timanye tinga abantu ba minto museko tomenda chingaki mangana kitoranyare gukora ase skuru lakini igontakete ko bashwa igontakete ko bashwa ngatose ko gendera style yeye no nyene college in future amantu kabosio nabo to gocha gosaba elinde ebe upgraded echeko banonyene university
boigo niga bulira bananchi kwenekya buna ngusira barabara ibabo iliko basegeta gokora magenderero
anda abantu baminto mumanyeterende buna abagambi baino egento baranyare kogani kurwase mure na masabo nako gendera gotusira elinde to gendera gotwara moral no moyo bo koraki boko gendera nara yona bwate ntegete gotebia body ye mbuya mona body to bwate ga Kenya TTC gere body ere very competent to bwate chi professor istatoma aba kabaito kurwe Kenyoro membarega no mongena osiemo no arega momo manyete body erega abantu baminto ngosaba mogendere konya amaguru mogende konye support
nero morokyo monene bwe college yo amono munyakirogoe baira chinga kicha soko mwakiro mujumbe Barongo mbuya mono asugo siroko.
I want to take this opportunity to thank God for giving us the opportunity today to be with our area member of parliament who has done commendably well to all commission our female hostel with a capacity of 500 students. It is a one-storied building, and we want to thank God for that opportunity that we've been given. Then he has also commissioned our administration block, a modern administration block.
That we have been struggling to bring up. We have done the best. And I want to thank Mheshimiwa. My special request, let us support Mheshimiwa and his team so that we can continue delivering.
Ko ripoti rigeta Senigen Soko TV. Nchere tanapo Rinaris. Kama.
Mwancho murigeria soroboti Rwaya Polinaris Akama tukwiro mutumo kwa makega se studio ya Kabere Toskare kurana ndase kagetare getamba sensemo ya Kabere.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi. Chuo Kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0722204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha. Ebago tebango yogose komo elio nero gose kabia. Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia usigete Soko TV. Boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai. Nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia. Murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banyasae abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale. Nantali ya yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale koba tukurwa. Ayankira lituko liye sabato liye abande bagotabanga Jumamos, abande batabanga Saturday. Chinsa ikomirebere chamambia uweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga n'abasomba banyasaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni.
My name is Albert Omariba. I'm the principal of Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute is a government institution situated in Nyamira County. We admit our students as from Standard 8 to Form 4 across all departments. Our students receive help and capitation from the government, therefore there's no worry of the fee payment. And our students pass very well in all departments, and we are able to achieve 90% pass.
Ni kweli Kitwebe Technical Training Institute ni chuo ambacho kimebobea na kinatoa mafunzo katika kiwango cha diploma, certificate na arts katika kozi zifuatazo: Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Building and Civil Engineering, Fashion Design, Cosmetology, ICT, Business Management, Water Technology, Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy, Social Work and Community Development, Plumbing, Welding, kati ya nyinginezo.
We are having a May intake 1-1. We have 8 departments, and we have the Center of Excellence in Fashion and Design. We are actually the best in this region. This region means Nyanza and Western. So we are welcoming students who can seek admission to undertake courses and training in our various departments. So welcome to this community and learn, get the skills, and then from there you can be self-employed or you can seek for employment. Thank you.
Vile tuna short courses za computer packages na German language. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Skills for self-reliance.
Abakuru nigo bakubinera iga, abasacha mbaniberani, n'abakungu mbaiborerani. Aiga no goteba iguru yikinyuru kubwaterana gokora emirimo amo erekero yomo anyara obugimo buya bwa masikani naboko niba onyuomere oyonde gusomosagarie omukungu nere abakuibora omwana akonyo oyonde.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho mwarigeria sensemega ya kabere mesema ya kure Ensoko ensa motoko gandra kukomanya bona ya nekiwe ekiombe kyabo wakile haiga sense ya Kenya Kialo Society of Kenya kyanyara koba kyekomoja higati yabana chibi na boigo abakore mirimo sebigambiro haiga sense ya Kenya habo bakwenekia guturubania hemerobero yabana inchi koria konyora obwene bwa bakuru asebigambiro nigo barire yo guchako gandra komocha abarayabo paka baimukeriwe getambukere getindikeri chiko erikoro yobokari wakili bosiwe bigambiro.
We have issued a list of the courts where some judges and some judicial officers are obstructing a process of accountability at the Judicial Service Commission. Some of those judges are from the Supreme Court of Kenya. One of them is from the Court of Appeal. There are 2 judges from the Coast Region, and others are from other parts of the country. So there are not so many, there are about 12 to 14 of them. The list is available. We have already had a session with the Judicial Service Commission, and we have raised awareness of Kenyans, including of stakeholders in the judiciary. They have committed to us that they will take our concerns into account, but we are saying that it's not enough to have commitments. We need to see action. So we are in a journey, but we will not relent until we get to the end of the journey. Weapons in our arsenal, and these weapons are provided to all Kenyans under the Constitution of Kenya. Article 37 has the rights of protest. Article 41 has the rights to withdraw services under industrial action. And there are various other rights, including the ability of the Law Society of Kenya to personally challenge some of the judges and judicial officers interfering with accountability at the Judicial Service Commission, sometimes even in courts of law and so on. So we have several weapons in our arsenal, and what we are asking the JSC is to work with us and to work with all Kenyans as it is required in the Constitution to secure the promise of justice for all, and justice that is fast and justice that is fair.
Toskabusho mwancho morigeria kera barukiwa barenka somotumokoiga omotambe bwerusa niga bayiboria baborigo kwene kyanko barenda bare naboigo kubatanga kurwa sobotumeki bwechisimi abege mitandao ababwatani bechisemi bagokwana se county ya Nandi litukoria rero nigo batebiro botumeki bwechisimi naboigo emitandao yekerero nererache kwene kyagusarie chimbwa chia barukiwa kera barache kwene chisemi chaba setamwe gocha.
These electronic gadgets is also becoming the source of information that is actually spoiling our young people. How we must know for sure that this technology is good, but at the same time it has the negative part of it. That our children are able to communicate with the people outside, that the people who supply drugs and alcohol to schools. Education is just but the tip of the sword. And so as parents, it's like we have relocated our responsibility and we have taken the child to school to be taken care of by the teacher. No wonder we're seeing the kind of behavior that we're seeing today in our schools.
The smartphones that are used by our learners, and of course that are also given out by the parents, acts as the root cause of most of the strikes that we get in high school and even in some boarding schools, in junior schools and even in primary schools. So it is important that we implore to all the parents to make sure that these smartphones, of course, which have been used to even do some heinous and criminal things in our schools, is not actually good. It is an item that we need to really take cognizance to it so that we really bar these learners from participating in criminal issues like the one in Utumishi.
Abaraya basubati kurwase county ya Nairobi niko bono baesokire na gusaba gusirwa iri banyare ko baba kwegandirira semeroberio yabo ya butambe nigasobwamo basigitandire ko nekya gwesokia sobonge na kuriya ebirogo byo anemo nasoba chore bane bore bosio niko bamochire hegati ya bari bakondire chinguru cyumurayo musubati asokwe nekya gonchiroria hegesako.
Kenya yetu inataka 2/3 gender. Na vile wamama tumefanya kazi kubwa ya kuinua wamama, wengine wanataka kuwagandamisha. Kwa hivyo tunasema kwa msemo moja tu. Wamama viongozi, endeleeni kuongoza. Tuko nyuma yenu. Na tunajua kila doketi zote mko. Na msigandaishwe na mtu. Na mtu kama huyo akija kama huyo ameanza hivyo, ajua akiguza mama ameguza mama wo. Kama kuna madharau ama wamedhurumiwa, kazi yetu ni kupiga firimbi vile tumefika saa hii. Na sasa kama imezidi sana, tuna hatua ile tunachukua.
Na kurembeka kwetu sio iwe ni sababu ya kuweza kusema ya kwamba we are going to be flower girls to some of the men. Kwa hivyo we are advocating for women so that we can acquire so many seats in this country through election. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema ya kwamba in the coming general election hatutakubali intimidation ya wamama. And we are here to stand as women so that we aspire for so many seats in this government.
Mama wote wale tumeona uongozi wa kina mama, pali kuna mama haparibiki jambo. Au viongozi wote mmeona kwa serikali biasikia wamama wamepata maibizo, mmesikia kuhongwa, kuharibu kazi nini, kula pesa. Kwa hivyo wamama waishibiwe. Hivyo tumesema.
Mwancho murigaria abuno togoika mwerio asoko kumanyaria nikiwa sema yekuru nsoko ensa mombi amana asoko sangana intwe na wegombi amono asabari kibaito ba mangana basangeria aiga senchira yobuikero no aseri bagaria Kelvin Mogoi Barnabas Sondari na Felistas Kabendi kurose studio ya Kabere chengoro kwa Clinton ndigito ko andoganda gutwara oporigerio bya bemiroberia genda ta sembe ngo konyuranga ndege koraga chinsa isatobo tukobwararo tochigosanga aiga negatia anda mange na boigo enkwana ya bene botukobwararo asetura chikumurikera amagendro no borai bwage siasa kurwa sorongoro gusi ne banensi ya Kenya amo no mheshimiwa Patrick Lumumba uyore neganga yokorie kerogo kyobo jumba sense moyo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South egotoka ase county ya Kisii tomocha osangana into chinga ke chigoika asabone gagendro gutwara borigerio bya